Spinach risotto is a traditional Italian recipe that highlights simple and genuine ingredients. This dish offers a harmonious balance between the creaminess of the risotto and the slightly earthy taste of fresh spinach. Preparing it is a great way to bring a touch of color and flavor to the table, satisfying even the most demanding palates. Ingredients: 320 grams of Carnaroli rice, 500 grams of fresh spinach, 1 small onion, 1 clove of garlic, 60 grams of butter, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 100 milliliters of dry white wine, 1 liter of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Preparation: thoroughly wash the spinach under running water to remove any traces of soil. You should drain them well and, if necessary, roughly chop them to facilitate cooking. In a large pan, heat the extra virgin olive oil along with the peeled and slightly crushed garlic clove. When the garlic begins to turn golden, add the spinach and sauté over medium heat until wilted. Remove the garlic and set the spinach aside. Prepare the vegetable broth by bringing it to a boil in a pot, and keep it warm over low heat throughout the risotto preparation. In a large saucepan, melt half of the butter over low heat and add the finely chopped onion. Sauté slowly until the onion becomes translucent, taking care not to let it burn. Add the rice to the saucepan and toast it for a couple of minutes, stirring continuously with a wooden spoon until the grains become glossy. Pour the white wine over the rice and stir until the alcohol has evaporated, allowing the rice to fully absorb the flavor of the wine. Begin adding the vegetable broth to the rice, 1 ladle at a time. Stir frequently and add more broth only when the previous has been absorbed. Continue this process for about 15 to 18 minutes until the rice is al dente. Halfway through cooking, incorporate the previously sautéed spinach and mix well to distribute them evenly in the risotto. Taste and adjust the salt if necessary, keeping in mind that the Parmesan will add additional savoriness to the dish. When the rice has reached the desired doneness, turn off the heat. Add the remaining butter and the grated Parmesan to cream the risotto. Stir vigorously until you achieve a creamy and homogeneous consistency. Let the risotto rest, covered, for a couple of minutes, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly. Serve the spinach risotto hot, finishing with a grind of fresh black pepper, and, if desired, a few raw spinach leaves for garnish. Curiosities. Spinach risotto is a dish that has its roots in the culinary tradition of northern Italy. Spinach, rich in iron and vitamins, has been used since ancient times to enrich dishes with nutrients. For a more flavorful variant, you can add crumbled sausage or porcini mushrooms to the risotto. If you prefer an aromatic note, try adding a pinch of nutmeg during the creaming.